huwag kang malaglag, Becca. Ano na, mahal mo. Hi guys, Razel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing the Ride or Die makeup tag. Jaclyn Hill created this tag. I've been wanting to do this tag for the longest time, but hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi ko pa siya nagawa. But now, I'm finally doing it, and I'm doing it differently. Like, while talking about the makeup, I'm also applying it on my face para makita nyo talaga yung application process and like, bakit gustong-gusto ko tong mga makeup na to. Yung ibang napanood ko, sabi nila they're having a hard time to pick what or what. Para sa akin, it was so easy. Itong mga na-pick ko talagang to, as in sobrang favorite ko talaga sila. Okay, so before kayo matakot na makita nyo yung bare face ko, I'm actually sick right now, you guys. I don't know if you can tell, but makikita nyo yung mukha ko mamaya kapag wala akong makeup na sobrang haggard ng mukha ko because I'm sick. And also, I'm wearing new contacts. I have gray contacts on. I got these from pinkicon.com. They actually sent this to me. Thank you so much. I'm loving it. Yes, graded siya. And I think they provide international free shipping. I mean, depends on how much you spend on the website, but yeah, you have that international free shipping options. I will leave the information below, the name of the contacts and where you can get it from. And also, before I start sa actual Ride or Die makeup tag, hindi lahat ng Ride or Die makeup product na mention ni Jaclyn Hill meron ako. Like primer, wala akong primer. You will see that later on. So yeah, without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys the application part and like me talking about the Ride or Die makeup products. And yeah, okay, so magsisimula na ako. Wala akong primer kasi hindi ako gumagamit ng primer. I have used few primers in the past and honestly, wala sa kanila yung parang masasabi ko talaga na, oh my gosh, this changed my life. I'm gonna continue using it. Like, you know what I mean? So, I'm gonna proceed sa foundation. In my case, hindi foundation yung akin. I know I have mentioned in my videos that I really like the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I do. I really do. Pero I don't think na I have used this enough na masasabi ko talaga na ito yung Ride or Die foundation ko. So, wala akong Ride or Die na foundation, but I have a Ride or Die BB cream. And alam nyo na, I white BB holic. Ito, alam ko na sobrang ganda niya talaga. Nagamit ko na to nung nasa Pilipinas ako. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. Nagamit ko siya dito. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. So, alam ko na kahit saan ako pumunta, malamig man or mainit, humid man or hindi, alam ko na it's gonna work. Kasi some of you guys said na hindi to ganun kaganda sa humid weather sa Philippines. I will try this pag nakauwi na ako. So yeah, itong BB cream yung Ride or Die ko. I am using the shade beige. By the way, nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, medyo puti ito ng konti sa akin. Now, it's a perfect match. Ang sobrang nagustuhan ko sa BB cream na to is sobrang dali niya i-apply. Hindi bongga yung coverage niya. Well, because it is a BB cream. Pero, nai-even out niya yung skin tone ko. Tapos, nakakatulong din siya sa redness. Sobrang oily ko nung nasa Pilipinas ako, you guys. And this one, hindi siya like that. Yes, nag-oil up ako kasi nga sobrang oily ko. Pero, hindi to the point na like yung mukha ko nakakadiri na tingnan dahil sa ka-oily, you know? Okay, so moving on sa concealer, my Ride or Die concealer is the Maybelline Pure Concealer Mineral. My shade is number 02. As you guys can see, malapit na siya maubos kasi I use this all the time. This concealer, ginagamit ko lang siya sa under eyes ko. So, hindi ko siya ginagamit sa blemishes ko. Hindi siya ganun ka galing mag-cover ng blemishes. Pero sa under eyes, gustong-gusto ko siya kasi hindi siya nagki-crease. And yung shade na 02 sa akin, perfect siya pang under eyes ko. It's not like overly light na parang, meron kang very light na concealer under your eyes. It's light, but really natural looking light for me. Parang nagiging alive ako tingnan kapag meron ako nitong concealer na to. Yung Ride or Die under eye setting powder ko is this one. Intuit Oil Control and Oil-Free face powder. I actually use the baking technique using this pressed powder. So, yung ginagawa ko is I dab good amount of powder under my eyes and then actually sa areas na nilagyan ko ng concealer. And then, I fill in my brows and then later on, i-blend ko siya. I know not a lot of people use pressed powder to bake their makeup, but itong powder na to, okay na okay siya. Kahit na i-bake mo siya, hindi siya nagki-crease at all. And yung concealer mo as in naglalast talaga like all day. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko tong powder na to. I've had this for a really long time. Yung mga powders ng Intuit para sa akin, sobrang gaganda ng quality. Sa original na Ride or Die makeup tag, walang eyebrow product. Pero I need to include eyebrow product kasi parang I cannot live without eyebrow product. And yung Ride or Die makeup product ko is available sa Pilipinas. This one right here, it's from Detail Make Brow. Again, hindi ko alam kung anong shade meron ako. Yung shade na ginagamit ko is this shade right here. As you guys can see, I've hit pan. I use this all the time. So, notice ko kahit na anong shade ng buhok ko, itong color na to matches kung ano man yung hair color ko. That's why I really like it. And yung product itself, very, very easy to apply. I like using brushes like this. I believe this is an eyeliner brush, pero I like using it para sa brows ko. I just feel like ito yung the best na brush para sa brows ko personally. Moving on sa face powder, yung Ride or Die face powder ko is the one from MAC, Mineralized Skin Finish. I have mine in the shade medium plus. Tapos dito sa baba, it says natural. So, hindi ko alam kung ano talaga yung shade niya. But yeah, sobrang gustong-gusto ko tong powder na to. Kasi again, just like the Eye White BB Cream, na-test ko na siya sa humidity ng Pilipinas, sa lamig dito sa Australia, and it works amazingly. Kahit na saan ako pumunta, okay na okay tong powder na to. It's not 100% matte. So, it gives your face that really nice subtle glow. So, hindi ako nagre-retouch at all kapag ito yung gamit ko. Nung nasa Pilipinas ako, nagbablot lang ako, pero hindi ako nagre-retouch ng powder kasi sobrang long-lasting niya sa mukha. Yung pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is it's very, very lightweight. Especially kapag gamit mo yung Eye White BB Holic, tapos ito, parang wala talagang product sa mukha mo kasi itong dalawang to, sobrang lightweight lang nila. Okay, so for the blush, hindi ko na ito na-mention sa channel ko because I stopped using it kasi I'm afraid na mauubos siya. But this is my Ride or Die blush. It is, you guys, from Avon. It is their Ideal Luminous Blush. Yung shade na peach, yung pinaka-gusto ko. The shade looks like this. Sobrang nagustuhan ko dito is meron siyang very subtle na gold flecks sa kanya. Like, as you guys can see, wala akong highlight ha. Pero tingnan nyo, and sobrang konti pa lang nang nalagay ko. Para sa akin, ito talaga yung the best na blush para sa mga morena. Kasi very flattering niya sa cheeks. As you guys can see, wala pang highlight yan ha. So, kapag ito yung gamit ko, hindi ko na kailangan mag-highlight, pero mag-highlight pa rin ako mamaya. But, you know what I mean? Nakikita nyo yung glow na nabibigay niya sa mukha. As in, sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. Before ako umalis ng Pilipinas, chinek ko sa kaibigan ng mama ko kasi Avon dealer siya. Wala sila nito. Hindi ko alam kung meron pa sila nito. Hindi ko alam kung ano ba tawag doon. Phase out na siya. Sana hindi, kasi it's my Ride or Die blush. Malapit na siya maubos. Oh, I've hit pan! I just really love this blush. Sobrang natural looking. Like, parang wala kang blush, pero you look glowing. You know what I mean? Wala akong Ride or Die na bronzer, kasi I'm not really into bronzer. Next is highlight. And I'm sure alam nyo na kung ano yung Ride or Die highlight ko. Ito yung Becca na Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pa. Again, if morena kayo gaya ko, I think this is the perfect highlight para sa inyo kasi hindi siya puti na highlight, as you guys can see from the name itself, Champagne. So yeah, sobrang ganda nitong highlight na to. Again, para sa akin, very flattering sa mga morena skin tone like moi. And sobrang on point ng pigmentation. Like, over na highlight na mukha ko. Kasi yung blush ko, may highlight na siyang ganap, tapos highlighter pa from Becca. Okay, so next is mascara. Yung Ride or Die mascara ko is this one right here. Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express Mascara. Gustong-gusto ko yung mga mascaras ng Maybelline. The Falsies mascara used to be my all-time favorite before I used this. Now, na nagamit ko na to, ito na yung Ride or Die mascara ko. And I just want to say thank you to Cathy Maganda for giving this to me. Kasi kung hindi niya binagay sa akin to, hindi ko siya madidiscover because I will keep repurchasing my The Falsies mascara and hindi ko to matatry. So, thank you so much. Meron siyang channel. I'm sure you guys know that already, but I will leave the link below. Again, thank you so much, Cathy, for this. Sobrang nakaka-add siya ng volume, sobrang nakaka-add siya ng length, and then hindi din siya nagsasmudge. Like, tingnan nyo to, you guys. Here, wala kayong makikitang eyelashes at all, but this, parang sobrang nag-volumize niya yung lashes ko, and the length that it gives to my lashes is just perfect. I'm not sure if you can find this in the Philippines, But if you can, go grab it because, again, this is the best mascara I have tried. Moving on sa Ride or Die lipstick ko. Ito, sobrang dali para sa akin. So, yung Ride or Die lipstick ko is the one from ColourPop. This is the ColourPop Lipsticks in the shade Cami. Ganito yung itsura niya sa lips ko. Ito ata sa lahat ng matte lipstick na nagamit ko, ito yung pinakamadaling i-apply. Long-lasting din siya. Hindi like it will last you 24 hours. Pero para sa akin, it's long-lasting enough na hindi ko kailangan mag-retouch after isang kainan. So like, you know, kapag merong dinner sa labas, i-apply mo to. After ng dinner, like, okay pa rin siya. Sobrang ganda ng formula. Sobrang smooth niya sa lips ko. Hindi siya drying sa lips ko at all. And the color, just gustong-gusto ko yung kulay niya. Again, lagi ko siyang sinasabi, but para sa akin, very flattering siya sa mga morena na tulad ko. And then, sobrang mura lang din niya. And yung ColourPop, you guys, nag-ship na sila international. I'm pretty sure Philippines is included sa international shipping nila. And I'm pretty sure marami namang online shop sa Pilipinas na nagbebenta ng ColourPop. Pero you guys, kung gusto nyo bumili ng ColourPop lipsticks, choose the shade Cami. Kahit na siguro anong skin tone meron ka, morena ka man, or meron ka mang lighter skin tone than me, I'm pretty sure it will look good. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko tong lipstick na to. So, yung last Ride or Die product na meron ako, kasi marami pang mga Ride or Die makeup product na na-include si Jaclyn Hill sa video niya, pero wala ako nun. Like, lip gloss, lashes, eyeshadow palette, setting spray, perfume. Like, I do use eyeshadow palette, but wala akong eyeshadow palette na masasabi ko na, oh my gosh, this is my Ride or Die eyeshadow palette. Like, you know, wala yung mga yun, but I do have a liquid lipstick. This one, I just started using siguro mga 2 weeks ago, and sobrang gusto-gusto ko na siya. Sa lahat ng liquid lipstick na nagamit ko, ito yung pinaka-the best. By the way, ito yung Meet Matthews long-lasting liquid lipstick from The Balm. I have it in the shade Charming. Ganyan yung shade niya. It's kind of similar to Cami, but not really. It's like deeper than Cami. Pero yung formula ng liquid lipstick na to, my gosh, ang bango din niya. Para siyang juicy fruit na mas mabango sa juicy fruit. Like, very minty. Parang perfect siya sa kalagayan ko ngayon. Kasi meron akong sipon at saka ubo. Ang sarap niya amoy-amoyin. Anyway, ito yung pinaka-the best na liquid lipstick na nagamit ko. Very easy to apply. Sobrang ganda ng formula. And yun na yung Ride or Die tag ko. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like the video if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! Ay, ang hirap. Ano yan? Kung gusto ko to, yung... Ay! Wait, paano ba to? Ito okay na, oh. Yung ito na lang. My holy grail, my holy... Holy? Kasi again, just like the eye white into it, just eye white into it. Paano ba ito ginawa? Pag ganun.